If you want to set up a secure folder on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first we need to go to Settings. Scroll down in Settings and go to Security and Privacy in here. And then we're gonna scroll down again, and this time you want to choose More Security and Privacy. After that, we should be able to scroll down one more time, and this time we are looking for the secure folder. Of course, you can allow the secure folder to send you notifications. You can tap on Continue in here. Then we have some information about the secure folder, so just keep tapping on these arrows until you have the login option. So you can sign into your Google account in order to be able to use the Play Store inside the secure folder. You can also skip login if you want to here by using skip login in the upper left corner. In my case, I'm gonna sign into my Google account in here. There we go. You might need to use your screen lock password in order to verify yourself. And then we need to wait for a few seconds. Now you can choose the password that should be used for your for your secure folder. In my case, I'm gonna use a simple pattern. There we go. We need to enter our password twice in order to confirm. There we go. You can also find the fingerprint unlock option, so you can add the fingerprint to the secure folder to be able to unlock it quicker. In my case, I'm gonna tap on Maybe Later. The secure folder is pretty much created now. You should be able to find it, for example, in the app drawer, which is over here. Of course, we need to enter the password in order to access it. You might see some pop-ups now and then in order to do something. You might, of course, use these suggestions if you want to. Here in the upper right corner, we have the Play Store, so you can just jump into the Play Store that is inside the secure folder. So every time you try to install something using this Play Store, it is going to be installed in the secure folder in here, not outside of it. You can also use this plus button in the bottom right corner in order to add files or apps. And if you choose to add apps, of course, you will see apps that you already have installed on your phone. So if you choose something in here, these apps are going to be pretty much duplicated. Of course, the secure folder might inform you later on that duplicates have been found. And this is, of course, especially if you have the same app inside the secure folder and outside of it. But of course, these apps in here contain separated data if we compare it to anything that we have outside of the secure folder. So these data that I have in here, let's say on this Instagram app, is separated from everything that I have inside this Instagram app. Besides that, there we go, we have the information about duplications. Besides that, you can use these three lines in the upper left corner in order to find some additional options like disguised icons and stealth mode, which allows you to hide the secure folder. We can manage files, we can find authentication settings, and some other settings here as well. So, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.